better.
Whoa. Benny, one of those. Oh my God, let's go see him. Okay. What is it?
Airplane!
A big airplane, huh?
Yeah!
All right, Benny, look at, here comes a plane right now. Hey, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, let's get catching.
Oh, you want to play catch? Okay, come on. Oh! Oh, I got it. Benny, here comes a plane. Okay, look, right there. Here it comes. Ready? Stay right here. Wow, one's taking off behind us. And here comes another one. Benny, stop running. Wow. That was pretty cool, huh? Why do you fall to the floor?
He says he's got you.
Oh, you're trying to catch it. Oh, nice try. Hey, look at there it is. Woo! You really are trying to catch him. Oh! Question, the one taking off. Oh, good throw. He's scared now. Oh, so close. Oh, it hit the glove. Look at Benny, here comes another one. Oh, you had it. Oh. There you go, good throw. Ooh. Come here, give me your hand. Come here. Look at, there it comes. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good throw. You got it there. You got it. Come here, look at. Come here, look at another plane. You ready? This one looks pretty big. Here we go. Whoa! That's pretty big, huh? Yeah. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, off the tip. It's the wrong way. Okay, but look up, look up. Woohoo!
I got
job. You kept it in frame. Wow, that's a huge plane. That was pretty cool, huh? Oh my God, this is big. Wow. Oh my God. Climbing the tree?
Yeah.
Be careful, you're gonna fall. I think that's as high as you can go, Benny.